Are you looking to get into affiliate marketing and having a hard time finding a program to promote? Well, I'm going to share with you 10 tips to find the right affiliate marketing program so you can start promoting it. Stay with me. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today I'm excited to share with you 10 tips for choosing affiliate marketing programs. And this is going to be tailored for beginners or people looking to get into affiliate marketing. All right. Now, before I get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about making money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, give me a like if you feel like you got some value out of today's video, and drop me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any particular questions with today's content, post them down below and I'll be happy to answer those. If you're looking for a more passive income, one that can make you money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, one that you can actually earn a full-time income with, then click the link down in my description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and I'll send you some information. All right, now let's get on with today's video. All right, guys, let's get to the 10 tips of choosing the right affiliate marketing program. And remember, this is tailored towards beginners and people looking to get into affiliate marketing. All right. Now, it's good to get straight into the 10 tips. #1, be your own client. And what I mean by that is make sure you're selling something that you like, something that you're passionate about, because you're going to be doing reviews about this. You're going to be talking about this, and you don't want to be passionate about it. You don't want to be selling a product that you really do not like, because that's going to come across to your audience and they're going to tell that you don't like this product, so why should they buy it? All right, you got to have a product that you feel passionate about, that you're excited about, that you can actually promote. All right. #2, make sure it fits within your niche. All right. So in this case, I'm in the make money niche. I wouldn't want to be talking about products in the, fishing, cooking, health niches, because my audience we can start getting confused and they're going to start running away. Okay. So just make sure the program fits within your niche. If you're going after the health niche, make sure that's the program that's within your health niche, just gaining weight or eating healthy or something like that. All right. #3, program competitors. Okay. So it's okay to go after more than one program. Okay. So maybe you have a main program that you're promoting. Okay. And it's in, digital marketing, teaching you digital marketing. You can also find programs that are similar to that. So maybe it's a program that teaches you how to do sales funnels, another program that teaches you how to find free traffic. Okay. So you can find similar programs from competitors out there that you can also promote. So don't feel like you got to just stick to one program, because with affiliate marketing, you can promote several products. Just make sure they're all within the same niche and they are all, brand competitors against each other. Okay. So you want to keep it nice and ethical and fun to promote. Okay. #4, desired by your target audience. And I can't say this enough, because people all the time talk about, my audience doesn't seem to be interested. Well, are you talking to them? Do you actually know who your target audience is? Okay, so make sure you know who your target audience is, so you can actually be promoting a product that they are interested in. Okay, if you're promoting a product that your audience isn't interested in, then you're just totally wasting your time, because you have this following, this audience that's watching you, and you're talking about something that they aren't even interested in. So they're going to stop paying attention. So just make sure that you are promoting an affiliate program or going to looking at affiliate program. If you're looking to get into it, make sure it fits your desired targeted audience. Okay. #5, commission levels and earnings per click. Okay. So what I mean by this is some programs are out there, you can get into like Max Bounty, okay, and just get paid cost per action. Okay. So they're looking for sending leads to a different company, and then that company pays you anywhere from 10 cents to $1 for each lead that you send them. Okay. Commissions, on the other hand, are commissions for selling a program. Okay. I could be selling a program that costs $50 and I get 50% commissions on it. Okay. Now, that's something you want to look at within your program. You want to make sure that you can make commissions, and you want to make sure that it's a program that may have multiple different commission levels. Okay, maybe it has multiple products that you can make commissions off of. So that's very important when picking a program that you're actually going to be promoting as your main program, that it actually has, other offers in it. Okay, and I'm going to go on to that in number 6. Consider high ticket priced products. Okay, and what I mean by that is, just like I said, the last tip is you want to make sure the program actually has multiple products for you to promote. So you could come in at like a $30 level, and maybe they have other products at higher levels, maybe like a $250, $300 level, maybe a $2,000 level, maybe even a $5,000 level that you can make bigger commissions. Okay. So just think about this. You could bring people in on a $30 product and make $15, or bring people in on a $5,000 product and make $2,500 each sale. Okay. That's how you make money. And if you're looking at this to become a, full-time income, you want to find programs that have high ticket offers, upsells, etc., because that is very important for you when building an online business and affiliate marketing. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to be building 40, 50 different sites and doing reviews, and it's going to be chaotic to get them little tiny commissions to add up. All right. Upsells. We want to make sure that the product has upsells. All right. That's the number 7 tip for you guys, is upsells. And what I mean by that is they may have a product that comes in at $7 or $1, whatever it is. Then it takes them through a sales funnel, and it gives them upsells and downsells as it goes through. Maybe it has another product after you come in at 30 to go to 97, then another product at 397, then another product at 2,000. Okay, so you want to make sure it has some kind of upsells so you can actually earn a little more money on the front end. Okay, number 8, quality product. This is probably like no brainer, right? You just want to make sure it's a quality product. Don't be picking a product that's shit. Okay, it might be a cheap product, and it might be cheap for a reason. Okay. You want to make sure that people are out there actually promoting this thing and are making money, and that it's a product that you feel comfortable with. That's a quality product that is here for the long term. All right. So a lot of these products you can get, as long as the CEO is open about sticking around. You want a program that's going to be there for a while, that you can promote for a while, not one that's only going to be there for 1 or 2 years. And then once you start getting traction, it disappears. Okay. You want something that's going to be there a while, that you can actually get behind and feel comfortable with promoting. Okay. So just make sure you find a quality product. Number 9 is vendor support. Okay. You want to make sure the program has vendor support. You don't want to start having problems and not have nobody to talk to. Okay. You want to make sure you have a coach, a support team. If there's problems with your back office, if you're not getting paid right, you want to be able to have somebody that you can call that's online, whether it's chat or email or phone, that you can actually resolve issues, because you don't want to promote something that when you have an issue, you can't get it resolved, because then people are going to just get pissed off and start telling people that your product's shit. Okay. So vendor support is very important. If they don't have vendor support, I would look twice, because that means they don't have confidence in their program that they're going to be sticking around for a very long time. Okay. So vendor support is very important. It might not sound like it, but it is very important. Okay. Number 10 tip, vendor reputation. Vendor reputation is very important. Okay, guys, because if their reputation is shit, then there is nobody going to come to you to promote it. Okay. People are going to stop trusting you. Your audience is going to start running away. Just make sure it's a product that people are actually out there promoting, and it's people that are, successful already in this business. Okay. Not scumbags. You want to make sure that they're just reputable people, okay? And you'll get into these programs and you'll find out who's actually a good quality vendor and they have good reputation, okay? If it's somebody in the industry that's got clout, that's been in the industry for a while, that has been around, then the reputation's pretty good, okay? Or they wouldn't be around very long. They would be gobbled up, spit out, because this industry is very serious, okay? So people don't play around. They will gobble you up, spit you out, and you're gone. All right, so you got to have a good reputation. Just make sure it's a program that you don't get into that is shit and doesn't have a very good reputation. You want to make sure that CEO is upfront with you. You know who he is. You can actually chat with him on Facebook or whoever. You want to make sure it's that kind of relationship. You don't want it to be so big that you can't even talk to the owner of the company, okay? So guys, I hope these 10 tips will help you decide which program that you're going to promote and which program that you feel comfortable with getting behind, okay? That was my goal for the day. Give me a thumbs up if you felt like this was of some good value to you. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see. And also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, click that subscribe button for me. And I will see you again on the next video. Peace out.